What is up, YouTube? This is Thor God of Thunder 815, aka Thor Wilkins, coming at you again with a video. This kind of may sound a little iffy to me, but I was actually told about this app called Rumble.me by Ashif, Askif, a foreign guy. And he says this is an app where you get to host, talk, and vlog and interact with your audience in many different ways. So what is the Rumble app? Well, let's just take a look at it for ourselves and see if any of you guys are also familiar with this. First, what is Rumble? Rumble is the home for short videos where you can talk, react, perform, or create a new show. Talk, create, and make a show? Short videos? I'm already not starting to like this. Anyway, moving on to the second one. Second one says, who can create videos on Rumble? Anyone can create videos or new channels on Rumble. Real people, real talk. Now, anyone can create videos or new channels. Like I don't know anything about these channels, but real people, real talk. I don't even really know what that means, but let's go on to the next one. Next one says, what are channels? Okay, this answers my question. Channels consists of episodes made by Rumblers who love to talk, perform skits, sing, dance, or put on a show. Talk about lifestyle, food, makeup, fashion, relationships, music, politics, anything you want. You can even host multiple channels for the multiple passions you have. I'm starting to get a really weird remembrance vibe. Okay, moving on. How many channels can I create? You can create as many channels as you want. No limits. So it's like a folder. Channels are your folders for your videos that you have. Okay. I'm going to go to the next one. Probably skip a few. Next one is, why should I create on Rumbler? For one, Rumbler makes it super easy to create videos without the hassle of editing. Just you on your phone sharing raw thoughts. Keeps it real. Next, creating on Rumble opens up the possibility of premium channels, helping you monetize your content. Learn about paid channels here. But last but not least, the Rumble community is simply awesome. Okay. Sharing raw thoughts, keeping it real, keeps it real. I share my thoughts full on 100%. I say whatever is on my mind, and I say anything and everything from the heart. And a lot of people don't actually like it. They can't tolerate the truth or the realization of things because I'm not famous, I'm not popular. They look at me like, oh yeah, you don't know anything. Whatever. I guess on to the next topic. How do I get more views on my video? Make good quality videos with good content. Create consistently and avoid self-promos. Who knows? You might just become a star. Avoid self-promos. But I thought this was about... Never mind. You know what? No, I was wrong. Next topic. How to get featured. Make quality content and you'll get noticed. We're always watching for outstanding Rumblers and love featuring them on the app, our website, and other social media handles. Let me go back to this one. Make good quality videos with good content. And let me go back to this one. Make quality content and you'll get noticed. Okay, I have something to say about that. Moving on. How can I get my video featured? Just keep creating great content. We are always watching your videos to pick the best ones to feature. Stalker much? And something about premium channels. Rumble will be supporting premium channels starting August 26th. Deadline's already passed. Your Rumble videos may earn you money. For further details, please refer to the Rumble premium channels. Alright. Well, I guess I should try this out. Just give me a few minutes. I'm actually gonna try it out, and I'll be back. Okay, just by looking at the app, it took me about 10 minutes to set up my profile. I regret it. As you can see, it's right there. I really don't know if I should give this app a chance. I scrolled through at least the first 20 videos, and all it was that I have seen, especially just by the layout, this app reminds me too much of TikTok. My head hurts. I mean, I'm not a big fan of TikTok. The layout reminds me of TikTok. The videos, the style, how people talk, all reminds me about TikTok. I'm already not liking this app. But they say avoid self-promos. I don't have an audience. Because I remember what's this foreign guy. I remember what he said. He said it's an app where you get to interact with your audience in a different way. But from the videos that I saw, it had none of the videos that interacted with anybody from any type of audience. It's just that the style, the layout, the video, the way they talk, the first 20 videos that I saw were nothing. I don't even know if it was 20. I mean, I was on the app for like a good hour and a half. So I think it was more than 20 videos. But it was all this almost like TikTok. And how, like, featured content, get noticed, be a star. I mean, it's not like Live.me where it's a bunch of girls in skimpy clothing dancing around and begging for gifts and diamonds and some stupid shit. I mean, Live.me, I used to have one, and now, today, it's like it turned into a fucking strip club over an app. Because, it's just ridiculous. Like, they don't even care about their app anymore. But when it comes to Rumble.me, it's reminding me too much of TikTok, and that's what I don't like about it. Because it's like anybody can get famous for anything. You cosplay, act like a demon. You be a furry, you talk about today's trends, like the OK Boomer, or make fun of Donald Trump, or talk about school shootings, or talk about jokes about 9/11, or wear short skirt and a tight top with your fucking nipples hanging out, and shake it, sort of shake your ass, and pretty much anybody can get famous for anything. Like with girls, it's easy. With guys, it's somewhat, unless you're like really good looking. And as you can see, I'm an ugly fuck. Okay. Anyway, I'm just gonna stop rambling about that. But about this Rumble.me, I'm thinking about just probably making videos. I'm gonna try to do my best. Fuck it.